Tasmotrol, setting the timer. In this video, we show you step by step how you can easily set timers for existing devices using Tasmotrol. Start the Tasmotrol app. There are 3 icons on the dashboard. On the left, the dashboard icon to return to the dashboard. In the center, groups to create groups with this function. On the right, the icon for timers. Tap on the timer icon. Here you will find all the device timers of the existing devices in the same order as set in the dashboard. The device timer sequence can be set in the dashboard by dragging and dropping the individual devices and is then displayed in the same order in the device timer view. The device timer is always switched on or off in the timer view. Information from the individual timers is displayed in this view. Gray switched off, blue switched on. If the device timer is deactivated here, no timer function of the device is executed. Tap on the device timer. Each Tasmo device has 16 individual timer settings, which are marked on the left with the number 116. To make a setting, tap on Timer 1. You will now be taken to the Timer 1 settings area. You can activate or deactivate the timer in the block at the top. Below this, you can select the output, i.e., which output should be switched. Several outputs may be possible here, depending on the Tasmota setting. Then select the action to be executed. Switch off, switch on, switch over, or whether a rule should be executed. In the lower block, you set the time. In this view, you can choose whether to switch by time or, for example, sunrise or sunset. Use the scroll wheel to set the time. The lower scroll wheel can be used to set a random deviation from the time set above. Tap back at the top left. When all settings for the device timer 1 have been set, this setting must be saved in the top right-hand corner. The display jumps back to the level of the 16 available timers. The step can be carried out for the other timers to 16 if desired. Attention: for the device timers to work, the desired levels must be activated from top to bottom. The higher level overrides the 16 timers below it, regardless of whether one of the 16 timers is activated. For example, this hierarchy has the advantage that in the upper level, i.e., the device timer, all settings of the timers below it can be activated or deactivated with a switch.